Hey guys, I was like looking into oil and gas values today. Like as of now, what's the global trade happening? So as of now, the oil barrel price, like the price per barrel in dollars, is 85.84. So that is really huge. So like I went through this oil price news portal as well, and even crude oil is 85. Then like the values are pretty high, $92 per barrel and all. So, to understand more about this and how is this impacting the Indian oil and gas stock companies and their stock valuations, I decided to ask Kwala Intel. So, as we all know, Kwala Intel is the best AI powered tool for all your market research, analysis, predictions, real time values. Everything you need will be provided by Kwala Intel. So, I asked Kwala Intel, like, even in this market, how are the Indian oil and gas stocks performing? And what are their values as per the Indian National Rupee in like the latest values. So Koala gave me a pretty detailed and proper response. So gas name holdings, refiners, and upstream stocks. So these are the top performing stocks. So Reliance as of now is at 1322 rupees, IGL 152.64, GAIL is 173, BPCL 310. So these are the top performing stocks. So they are up more or less, like everyone is showing some bull. Just BPCL is some bearish value today. And Qual also plot this beautiful graph for me. So it has all the latest values from Reliance, ONGC, BPCL, IOC, GAIL. So you can see the all-time high and compared to what low it went, and with a proper annual volume, it's like it's a monthly volume from July to August. And again we have a proper table which has like every pricing as per the day change, a 52-week volume and volume versus average. So this is also plotted by Kwala Intel. So what's holding? So gas value chain green, GAIL, Petronet, IGL, and these are there. Like Reliance is flat 0.46% up at 1322. ONGC, and what's soft? So refiners or marketing are slightly low. There's no sector momentum as of now. So chart is 30 days normalized. So this is the analysis. Like GAIL is the major flat to green, rest grinding lower. So even in this, like global oil and gas tensions, as we all know, because of the like slight tensions in the Middle East, but Indian stocks are showing slightly green, like output. So this is a really good analysis with all the latest trends, insights, market analysis, and these values are like strongly fluctuating because of the global like tensions which are happening around Middle East and how it is impacting global trade and oil gas prices. So all these data, all these resources are being fetched by Kwala Intel to curate this response, and Kwala Intel has properly generated a very detailed response for me. So you should definitely take a look at Kwala Intel and learn more about how oil and gas, like stocks are performing, what are the values, what factors are impacting these values. Everything will be detailedly given to you by Kwala Intel. So make sure to check out Kwala Intel. And Kwala Intel is super amazing. I didn't even ask for the graph or tabular analysis, but still, it has plotted the graph for me. It has generated a proper tabular, like curated response for me, which is a really good user-friendly experience from my side. So I'll surely recommend everyone to check out Kwala Intel, and let's learn more about stocks and like other assets in the Indian market. Thank you.